Understanding Python packages.
Python packages are collections of modules that make it easy to add new features to your projects. From data analysis to web development, packages save you time by letting you use code others have already written. Efficient package management helps you keep your code organized, up to date, and free from conflicts.
What is pip?
This is the official tool for installing Python packages. It connects to the Python package index and lets you download, install, or remove packages with a simple command. With pip, you can add powerful libraries like NumPy or requests to your project in seconds. Keeping pip updated helps ensure smooth installations.
Why use virtual environments?
Virtual environments help isolate your project's dependencies. By using tools like venv, you ensure each project only uses the packages it needs at the correct versions without mixing with other projects. This keeps your development space clean and helps prevent version conflicts.
Getting started with venv.
venv is Python's built-in tool for creating virtual environments. Start by running a simple command to create a separate folder with its own copy of Python and pip. Activate the environment, and now any packages you install or remove will only affect your project. It's a best practice for all new projects.
Other handy tools, pipenv and conda.
Besides pip and venv, there are tools like pipenv and conda. Pipenv combines package management and virtual environments in one. Conda is popular in data science for managing both Python packages and external dependencies. Choose the tool that best fits your workflow or project needs.
Best practices for package management.
Keep track of your dependencies by using _requirements files, update packages regularly, and avoid installing packages globally unless necessary. Testing your installations in a virtual environment before deployment helps catch issues early. Smart package management leads to cleaner, more reliable projects.